Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today, me and my brother are going to be painting this nice little cup for our neighbor. Now we already opened it just to put the tape on. So I did a heart and the first letter of her name, which is a E. So it comes with a white mug, not the tape. 8 colors. It comes with light blue, pink, purple, yellow, like a orangey yellow color, red, yellow, dark blue, and green. And it also comes with a small little paintbrush, but in case we need to use bigger stuff, I got some more paintbrushes. Okay, I'm just going to put that down there. Miller, what color should I use first?
Red.
Red? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to do a little dots around, and I put the tape on it because at the end I'm going to take it off and it's going to be clear and white there. So I'm going to outline this with red dots, and then I'm going to go out with different colors, as Miller says. So let's open our red. Are you excited for Easter?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we use this one?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. I'm going to use the end of it to do the dots. Now when I do the dots, I'm not going to do them out. I'm going to do them half. What's your favorite color, Miller?
Yellow.
Should we do yellow after orange?
Yes.
Yes. This is a green tape.
Green tape. And
Almost done.
also have green.
Yeah, we do. We have 2 blues. A light blue and a dark blue, right?
Yes.
Need more paint. If you run out of paint, it's okay. You can just use your own paint. I'm using the end of this brush, not here. There. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more red, and then, Miller, we can do orange, yellow. I'm not gonna go exactly around it. I'm just gonna kind of go crazy dots. Okay, so I had to wipe off the dots inside of in between the E because around it I'm gonna do a light blue or a dark blue.
Or
Okay, I'm gonna do some green on this side.
green.
Wow, this is hard work. Holding the cup, making sure paint doesn't get on the inside.
In the handle.
We're still gonna do the handle, Miller.
What?
Yeah?
Why?
Because we're gonna do dots around it. Oh my gosh, my arms. Okay. Yeah.
Go and get a little snacky.
A snack? Okay. Oh. Okay, so I've outlined the E. Let me just wipe this off and I'll show you. It's coming off. I have very colorful hands. It's like tie-dye. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do the purple and then we're finished. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now it's time to peel the stickers off. I mean the tape off. I'm super excited. I'm gonna do the heart first. Then I'll show you when it's peeled off. It looks so cool. Whoa. Oh my gosh, the red peeled off. Okay, I see the outlines kind of. I'm just gonna. Okay, now look at it. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna do the blue. Hopefully the same thing doesn't happen. Whoa. Oh my gosh. It's so cool. Guys, check this out. Wait. Look at that. It looks so good. Okay, so before you just let it dry and then give it to your neighbor, you can't do that. You have to put it in your oven at a certain time and a certain temperature. So yeah, it looks really good. So it's time to go now. Okay, so now we're done our cup. So what you gotta do is you gotta put it in the oven, but make sure you ask a grown up to turn on the oven. And once you put it in the oven, the color, like the paint, will be permanent. And make sure you check on the box to see how, like, what temperature you have to put it inside of the oven. Okay, so we waited half an hour. Now we're going to turn off our oven and we're going to wait until it cools off and then we can take our cup out. Okay, so we're all done now and it looks really good. So bye friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye!